ngishaya but ngisamile. Ngisaphefumula. Every morning ngivuka ne-pressure. Fake smiles when I'm facing depression. People think ngiqinile, but inside ngiyaphuka. Too many nights ngikhala ngedwa, talking to God in the darkness, asking Him why life inzima kangaka. Everybody chasing money, but nobody chasing peace. Now anxiety is killing slowly, while everybody thinks we blessed. Ngifuna-Ukuphila, not to survive. Ngifuna-Ukuthula inside my mind. Ngifuna-Ukuphila, mama. Ngifuna-Ukukhanya. Too many dark nights. Ngilahlekelwe ithemba. Ngifuna-Ukuphila, mama. Ngifuna-Ukuthandwa, 'cause this cold world yenza abantu bahlupheke. Ngifuna-Ukuphila, 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 ngifuna-Ukuphila. Lost friends getting my Mali. Lost myself chasing dreams. Now success doesn't feel exciting when your soul can't breathe. 8 nights ngishayela ngeke. City lights kodwa kukuthula. Everybody posting happiness, but secretly bayahlupheka. Mama said mthandaze mwanami. Now those words keep me alive, 'cause sometimes life gets heavy and hope becomes hard to find. Nkulunkulu, hear me now. Ngikhathele inside. Carry me through the storm before ngilahleke ngophelele. Ngifuna-Ukuphila, mama. Ngifuna-Ukukhanya. One day zonke izinyembezi zizophela. Ngifuna